you want to update your store quantities with CSV file? With EasyChannel, this process is quick and easy. 3 minutes and we're finished. All of your products will be updated, the prices will be intact, and you can do it for multiple channels at once in one click. First, let's head to EasyChannel website, sign up or log in. In EasyChannel, click on the Products Catalog and navigate to Inventory Management section. Click on the Update Inventory CSV button. In this section, you can download EasyChannel's CSV template or upload your own formatted CSV file. I've selected my file, which is also compatible with Excel. Within my file, I have a column for SKU and another for inventory. As you can see, the stock in the CSV is set to 10. Don't forget to mention your warehouse as well. Now let's ensure the quantity field is correctly mapped to the corresponding column in the CSV. Once everything is set, I'll click Import. The system will now process the CSV and apply the stock changes. As you can see, the stock has been successfully updated on eBay to 10 units. It was easy, right? With EasyChannel you can do many other bulk actions that are super useful for your business, such as bulk inventory change, inventory sync, optimize title descriptions with our AI SEO capabilities, and much more. And if you stayed far until here, comment below your favorite marketplace of all times and we will give you a 10% discount for your first month. This is limited for the first 5 comments. So thank you and see you in the next video of EasyChannel, where we make multi-channel e-commerce easy.